Hi guys, welcome to Celeb Gossip Entertainment. Now guys, the Patriotic Alliance has released a statement. They have been on this case, and as Minister Gayton Mckenzie said, that he is going to do some research on Miss SA finalist Chidimma. So I guess he is still doing that research. He will come back to us, and this is the statement that Ray released, and I will read it for you guys. So it says, national issue of Miss SA contestant Vanessa Chidimma Onwe Adetshina. The Patriotic Alliance has noted concerns around the participation of Vanessa Chidimma Onwe Adetshina as Miss South Africa finalist. The immediate concern remains to determine whether Adetshina indeed is a South African citizen. Conflicting reports are circulating, including on whether her mother has in fact ever been to South Africa. The contestant herself has also not clarified this issue, which does not give the people of South Africa comfort. The Miss South Africa organizers have been quick to support Adetshina's candidacy and declare it legitimate. However, it is clear from video material in circulation of her with her family that Adetshina's family is fully Nigerian and that they are celebrating her success as Nigerians, not South Africans. Miss South Africa is meant to be a patriotic ambassador for South Africa wherever she goes in the world. She must represent the best of what it means to be a South African woman in this country today, and she must promote South Africa's interest wherever she will go, and particularly when she contests for global pageants such as Miss World or Miss Universe. The arrogance of Nigerian foreigners in South Africa and their sense of entitlement in this country has now reached a level where possible Nigerian is standing to be crowned as Miss South Africa. South African may be excluded from something that literally has South Africa in its name. As the Patriotic Alliance, we are therefore pursuing legal avenues to get to the bottom of this matter, including interdicting Adetshina's participation if necessary. This was issued by Deputy President Kenny Kunene. So Kenny Kunene is the Deputy President of the Patriotic Alliance. And guys, reading the statement, I just fully agree with it. I'm not saying Adetshina is not South African, but where is the mother? Because now it raises eyebrows. Where is the mother? We want to see the South African mother. Let her come and speak one of our South African languages, and defend her child. Because now it is really, really confusing. She doesn't even have one South African name, guys. She doesn't even know any languages. It really, really is confusing.